welcome back to the channel. It has been a minute since we've done just a regular vlog, and a lot has happened since the last time I vlogged.
Hi guys.
We are in the Starbucks line. We went to Chick-fil-A for them for breakfast, and I am getting breakfast from Starbucks. I'm also going to try one of the apple crisp oat milk macchiato situations. So I'm gonna get that, and then we are headed to the fair, and we are so excited to go to the fair, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go to the fair. Ethan, so I'm just gonna give you a quick update of what's been going on since the last time we vlogged. The boys have started school. Ethan hurt his arm on the third day of school. He fell off the monkey bars and fractured his arm. Okay, so it's literally like the third day of school, and Ethan, what happened?
I hit my arm on the monkey bars.
You fell
off the monkey bars.
So now what are we doing?
We go on the doctor, waiting for the doctor to come.
And then you're gonna get a what?
Get a prize.
What they're gonna do?
Get the X-ray.
Say it louder.
Get the X-ray.
You're gonna get an X-ray.
We're gonna have to give you spinach so you can get strong. Yeah, I'm good.
He doesn't understand the reference.
I know he doesn't.
I didn't chill out.
He didn't chill out, he said. I went on my very first work trip, and that was really exciting, and I did a bunch of stuff just to kind of prepare for the work trip, and like updating my wardrobe and getting my my work tote and everything. And it's the Beis one. Actually, let me show you. It is Tuesday, September 13th. I am sitting in my office because I am prepping for a work conference. I'm going to be staying in the hotel where the conference is taking place, so that the morning is not hectic. So I'm literally going to be gone for like 24 hours. So I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I got, some of the stuff that I have pulled to bring with me. Okay, so all this stuff I've had already, but obviously my glasses and my AirPods, but I did pick up a pack of gum for obvious reasons. And I got just picked up some, little earbuds for the conference room, because they're going to log on to a Zoom call that will connect us to people who are not going to be in person at the meeting. So I figured this would be easier for audio. And then I picked this notebook up by Sugar Paper from Target, and it's white. It's, looks really crisp and I guess chic, if you want to call a notebook chic, but I like it because it has this little pocket. So any materials that I get from the meeting, I can put them in here. And there's also obviously a bunch of notebook paper. And then this is it's just cute. Like, it's cute. The most exciting thing that I got is my new tote bag. I got the Beis black work tote bag. I don't know what the official name is, but yeah, this is it. And it comes with this removable pouch. You see there's a button on the side that snaps to the inside. There is a little pocket here for your laptop, and of course it has the little thing that goes on your suitcase, and you can zip it up if you are not using it, which I probably will be using it. And then they have side pockets here, and I think this side has a slit, or it's a zipper. Yeah, a zipper on this side. So I'm really excited about that. Really sleek and simple and very good quality. As you can see, it also has this shoulder strap, which you can obviously take off or whatever. And then I also got from Beis this little, it's their like essentials kit. So it just comes with like wipes, hand sanitizer, 2 masks, and obviously this zipper pouch. And then finally, I got a new water bottle. It's kind of on theme with everything. It all started with the Beis, this, you know, stuff with the logo being this color. So I just picked this up obviously from Marshall's, and it has a straw on it, which I like for meetings, so I'm not like tipping my head back to drink my water in a meeting. I can just put it up to my lips. I know that that's anyway, I just think tipping your head back in the meeting and somebody's sitting next to you, it's just kind of distracting, you know what I mean? So the little things, the little things. I am going to start consolidating all this stuff and packing up the tote bag, and then we're going to go upstairs and start packing like my clothes, my toiletries, and my makeup.
Mommy's leaving. You can leave us behind.
Okay guys, so I am, as you can tell, refreshed. I put on a little bit of makeup, a little bit. I just did my eyebrows, tiny bit of powder, lip gloss, and like 1/2 a coat of mascara. And I am dressed. So this is what I'm wearing. Had a little booty pop. This is what I'm wearing down there, just in case. Okay, so this is what the suitcase looks like. Here's my hand for size comparison. It is tiny and cute, and the color is so pretty. It's like not white, but not tan. It's like in the middle. And it does expand a little bit, so that's how I was able to get it closed. Okay, so here's everything all packed up. It's really dark now, much later. I got the kids ready for bed. I said goodnight to them, so I'm gonna head out to the hotel. But now we're back to present day, and we're still in the car waiting for my coffee.
What? Coffee?
Cause I need coffee. But guys, it's definitely fall. So we left the house. It was 66 degrees outside when it has been like at least between 80 and 85 degrees when we were leaving the house. And now it's 66. So it's feeling like fall. It's 70 now since we've been up at out of the house for a while. So once we're done here, we're gonna head over to the fair. Okay, we made it to the fair. First stop, chickens. Look at the chicken.
That's funny. Mommy. That is a huge one.
drag in and then the little
It's gonna be scared. Grab your. How was it? You have food. Oh, the breeze feels good.
I want to do that one. Imagine someone dropped my phone. I see my friend. Ethan already has.
Danny, why is yours like skin?
Gotta like, it's like.
He's called the alligator snapping turtle because of the size of his beak. Mexican, beaded lizard, gator. If I put him near his mom or dad, he looks tiny.
Hey guys, it is the following Monday after the fair. I didn't want to end the vlog abruptly, but I think we are all caught up. We are going into the fall months. This is my favorite time of year for vlogs. I love the fall vlogs that I have on my channel from last year, the apple picking and did we do the pumpkin patch last year? I can't remember, but the apple picking, pumpkin patch for sure this year, the fall foliage, oh my goodness, the lake vlog from last year is just the views from that vlog. I just can't get over. So I'm so excited for the fall time. And I'm looking out my window and the tree in my front yard is starting to change and turn, and it's just, I'm so excited. Coming up on the channel, we're gonna have a clean and decorate with me. I did very, very light decorating for fall this year because we're still getting in our main pieces of furniture and like our main stuff. So I've really been focusing my time and money on getting all of our main furniture pieces. We still don't have a dining room set. We still don't have a like formal living room set up yet. So we're just taking it slow. So that being said, I did incorporate a lot of stuff that I had from my apartment last year, which is basically nothing put into this house, and a couple of things that I got from Home Goods. So stay tuned for that. It is Monday. I'm going to try to get this video up today, and then we'll try to get the fall decor clean and light decorating with me up by either Wednesday or Friday. As you can see, when I make promises, so we're just gonna do our best. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.